By default, standard VWAP resets every session. Every session starts from zero. Yesterday's price action, yesterday's volume, yesterday's institutional activity, gone. And that creates a problem most retail traders never even notice. Think about what that daily reset actually means. An institution spent all yesterday accumulating a position below a key level. Today, the price gaps up. Standard VWAP has no memory of that. It starts fresh, like nothing happened. The problem is not VWAP. The problem is where it's anchored to. The concept is simple, but the difference is enormous. Instead of resetting every day, you choose your anchor point. A major swing low, a key breakout, an earnings release, anywhere meaningful. From that point forward, VWAP accumulates every candle, every volume event, every institutional footprint. You're not looking at today's average price. You're looking at the true average price paid by everyone that has traded since that moment. And that is what institutions see. And that is the level they defend. To the charts. Here is OG/USDT on the 15-minute with 2 lines on it. The yellow line is the standard VWAP. You can see the indicator here. The white line is the anchored VWAP, anchored to the start of 0-100 hours UTC. You will see that if I turn off the VWAP, the anchored starts here at 0-100 hours UTC on the 23rd of April. And it comes up and it moves forward, and it continuously moves forward from there, anchored from that point. Now, if we turn back on VWAP, you can see at the end of the day before session, it dropped and started in line with the anchored VWAP. If I toggle this on and off, you can see. But again, at the start of another day, boom, it shoots right up and resets, forgetting everything it learned about what had been traded. Whereas the anchored VWAP keeps moving forward. Next one, USTC/USDT. Now I've chosen this because it came in as a pulse flow VWAP alert. VWAP is a very big part of pulse flow in one of our strategies. This was very fresh when I first saw it, but I was planning the video. It's now 2 hours ago. So the VWAP happened here, my 10:30 in the morning UTC +7. The way pulse flow does it is it anchors it to 0-100 hours yesterday, and then every day it snaps forward. The minimum amount of the anchor is 24 hours, moving up to nearly 48 hours before it snaps forward again. You can see that here. Standard VWAP comes up here, yellow line. If I delete the anchored VWAP just for a second, you can see it's absolutely in line with VWAP until the start of the next session, 0-100 hours UTC, down here where it resets. But the anchored one to 0-100 hours UTC yesterday doesn't. And that's where the bounce came in here. 10:30, 10:30. Standard VWAP is a useful starting point. Anchored VWAP is the real tool. The difference between the two is the difference between following price and understanding it. As I mentioned, pulse flow anchors VWAP to 0-100 hours yesterday and carries it forward throughout the day. When price comes back to that level, we're not guessing at support. We are watching the exact price where institutional volume has transacted. That is not an indicator. That is evidence. Every indicator in the series so far had a flaw. VWAP does not. It just depends entirely whether you're using it the right way. Would you please subscribe, like, and share? You can watch one of my other videos down here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.